Right, we'll have a quick little tour of the allotment. This, I believe, gooseberry bush. I think it's a gooseberry. That I dug out last year. It's come back all right. A couple of Harvest Moon pumpkins in here. See if we can get some pumpkins this year for Halloween. Nothing there yet. 6 broccolis. And behind me, I've got a load of radishes. A few rose bushes. Plenty of buds forming. Looking a bit dry though. More strawberries. I think I accidentally got a bit weed killer on that side earlier. Right. And this one I've got a little marrow plant and a butter bean over there. Plan to grow that one this. I'm by no means a professional gardener, just sort of winging it. See where we're going, just learn as time goes on. And another pumpkin plant just in there, forgot about that one. A few mounds of tatties there coming through. Some red cabbage and some cauliflowers. More tatey mounds. My apple tree, which has got loads coming through. I'm not sure whether I should be pulling some of these off, so I can. And then more tatties. So that's that end at the minute. And this end, I'm in the middle of tidying up. As you can see, it's a bit of a mess. It's a rhubarb plant here. It's been here for a while as well. You tidy all around here. Got this quirky little shed right in the corner with a nice door covered in vines. So I can get repurposed for something. Oh, and more blackcurrants. Quite hard to harvest, that's what I find with the blackcurrants. So yeah, that's my little shed in the corner. I'm now standing on the chicken coop wall to be. Got all this space I need to tidy up. So I'll keep making some progress videos up here. And then we'll see how things go.